Hey guys, happy Friday. Made it to the end of the week. I'm going to show you an update on the Chromebook Recovery Utility, thanks to the troubleshooting skills of Thomas. All you have to do is head over to your Incident IQ, and we're going to look for Assets, Asset Explorer, and then type in your serial number. Once that pulls up, you're going to head over here, and we're going to look at Options, Edit Asset, and we're going to scroll down to the good old metadata. If your laptop is not marked as Staff Technology Services, you are cooked. You are in trouble. So all you have to do is just change it to that. And then lastly, what we want to do is head into Settings and make sure that you're signed in as an administrator and that your laptop has a TSV-serial number. If it's not renamed, let us know. We're going to rename it for you. You don't have to blow away the laptop and redo the PPKG. Don't do that. That can create more problems. Okay, once you verify in settings that you're the administrator, you're logged in, and it's named correctly, then we're going to simply head over to Chrome, and you're going to log into your work account. It could be your standard, your elevated, and then you'll see the Chromebook Recovery Utility is marked right there. If you don't see it, just head over to the Chrome Web Store and search Chromebook Recovery Utility. Kind of helps if you spell it correctly, type it in the right way. And then once you pull that up, you'll notice that it's no longer blocked by your admin, but rather ready to install. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Friday as we head into this 3-day weekend, and thank you so much for watching.